good, everybody? My name is Phatty. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to brighten up vocals and make them sound less muddy in a super simple way, okay? Before we get into that, I do want to say, please check out the new beat tape that I released with the homies DC the Beatmaker and Fopal McGinnis. The beat tape is called Friendly Fire, and it's a bunch of beats with hooks, genre blending, dope vibes. The link is in the description. Please go check that out and let me know what you think. I appreciate that. Alright, let's get right into it. So I got this verse here. Very raw, no effects or anything. The only thing mixed is the beat. But I want to show you what it sounds like now and what it will sound like after these couple simple steps. Okay, so here we go. This song's called Wise Up and Apply Pressure. It's off of my upcoming album, Phoenix Rising.
Apply pressure, rise up, apply pressure before you're dead on a stretcher. Yes, sir, whatever measure. Pleasure comes with pain, no hurt means no gain. Strain my, so I go and smoke a strain, and it ain't in vain or to get no praise. Do it.
Okay, so you essentially hear how that sounds, very raw and dry and a little muddy. First thing we're going to want to do is throw a compressor on there just to kind of glue the whole vibe together, glue the whole vocal together, because there are some parts that are louder than others. So we'll do a simple attack, a simple release, mess with the ratio a little bit, and then it's not going to do anything until we actually bring down the threshold. So let's actually get on the start of the verse. So we're going to want to bring down the threshold until we start to hear it actually messing with the volume of the vocals, and then we want to find a sweet spot, and then we'll add up gain to make it sound back to its normal dB. So let's see how that sounds.
Rise up, apply pressure before you're dead on a stretcher. Yes, sir, whatever measure. Pleasure comes with pain, no hurt means no gain. Strain my, so I go and smoke a strain, and it ain't in vain or to get no praise. Do it to keep from going insane. Too late, speculate my brain. They yo, he say, she say. Now I'm in my own way. Nobody gonna get the best of me unless we grow together and create the recipe. Especially no pessimistic hater, that's disaster scene. Red flags go out now, dip and be, yeah.
Alright, see, that's already starting to sound better. Now we can add an equalizer, just parametric EQ2. Okay, and we're gonna want to take a little bit of the subs out, a little bit of the mids, and do a high shelf in the higher frequencies. That'll make it sound a little bit more brighter rather than muddy, okay?
Rise up, apply pressure before you're dead on a stretcher. Yes, sir, whatever measure. Pleasure comes with pain, no hurt means no gain. Strain my, so I go and smoke a strain, and it ain't in vain or to get no praise. Do it to keep from going insane. Too late, speculate my brain. They yo, he say, she say. Now I'm in my own way. Nobody gonna get the best of me unless we grow together and create the recipe. Especially no pessimistic hater, that's disaster scene. Red flags go out now, dip and be, yeah. Physically here, but mentally an entity. Instrumentally free, let's make a masterpiece, yeah. Spiritual means looking through the cosmos. Third eye open, now I see what I gotta be.
So you see what that does? Just a simple EQ. It's crazy how just simple movement with the EQ can really make or break the sound. So be very careful with equalization. Now, the next steps I'd go about is, putting DS or putting some other effects, putting reverb, delay, and then getting my ad-libs layered in and all of that. But this was just a video to really show you how to brighten up your vocals a little bit more. And it's all in the EQ. The compressor you don't even got to do every single time. I only did it because if we look at the waveform of the track here at the beginning, is a little bit more thick, a little bit louder. The transients are popping louder. The transients being those high points and low points. They're just a little bit louder through the rest of the track. So I wanted to do that compressor to kind of smush and glue things together a little bit more. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this video, guys. If you want to see more about de-essing and all of that stuff, let me know down in the comments, and I could definitely do something about that. But yeah, make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting it. Much love, y'all. Peace.